Are you looking for a tourist destination for this holiday, to escape from your busy daily life? In this video, we will discuss Honolulu Island, which is the capital of the state of Hawaii, United States of America. Follow along with this video to get information about interesting things around the island. Before we move on to the discussion section, for those of you who have just joined this channel discusses all the interesting things about around the world, such as interesting places to visit, culture, music, health and many others. Please subscribe to this channel so you can always get other useful information. Honolulu is the capital city of the state of Hawaii, United States of America. Its land area is 222 square kilometers with an estimated population of 347.181 in 2020. In Hawaiian, the word Honolulu means a sheltered place. Honolulu is also a major financial center for islands in the Pacific Ocean. Besides that, Honolulu has natural beauty as well as a special attraction for tourists. Therefore, Honolulu Island has always been a busy place visited by tourists from various countries. Here are 4 interesting places that you can visit on Honolulu Island, Hawaii. Number 1, Hanauma Bay. Hanauma is one of the most popular tourist destinations on the island and has suffered somewhat from overtourism. At one time, this popular tourist destination accommodated over 3 million visitors per year. Hana is the Hawaiian word for bay, and uma refers to the curves of the indigenous canoes. To the Hawaiians, Hanauma Bay has long been part of their history. In fact, there are many legends about how the curved bay got its name. For many years, Hawaiian royalty used Hanauma Bay for fishing and recreation. Hanauma Bay is a must-do for your Oahu Island itinerary. It is one of the premier destinations on Oahu if you want to get acquainted with hundreds of tropical fish and marine life. It offers an overall great experience whether you're a beginner or an avid snorkeler, and it's for people of all ages. One thing you should know if you're planning on visiting Hawaii: make sure to pack a reef-safe sunscreen. Why? Because in recent years these reefs have been dying off at an alarming rate, and scientists have found that one of the main causes of this decline is sunscreen chemicals. In response to this problem, the state of Hawaii has recently passed a law banning sunscreens that contain oxybenzone and octinazate, 2 chemicals that are harmful to the coral reef. So there you have it, reef-safe sunscreen is a must if you're planning on visiting Hawaii. There are plenty of options available on the market. You can check it on this description down below, and most of them are just as effective as traditional sunscreens. Today, Hanauma Bay limits visitors and focuses on educating tourists on the natural wildlife of the area. The vast majority of these are tourists, but locals here on Oahu love this beach as well, and many of them visit it daily. Hanauma Bay opens at 6:45 a.m., closes at 4 p.m. The bay is now closed to the public every Monday and Tuesday. It is also closed Christmas Day and New Year's Day to allow the fish a day of feeding without interruption. Number 2, Diamond Head, Hawaii. Diamond Head is a volcanic cone on the Hawaiian island of Oahu and is the most popular Hawaii state park. Hawaiians call it Leahi, brow of the tuna, in reference to the formation's ridgeline, which resembles the tuna fish's dorsal fin. Diamond Head stands at an elevation of 762 feet above sea level. When measured from the crater floor, the Diamond Head mountain towers to 560 feet. There aren't many places in the world where you can hike to the edge of a volcano. The Diamond Head Trail allows this opportunity, which culminates in panoramic views of Oahu, the famous Diamond Head Lighthouse, a United States Coast Guard facility that has been featured on a U.S. postage stamp, and the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Diamond Head offers stunning views of the Pacific Ocean in Honolulu that you can hike to via a trail that takes you to the edge of the 300,000-year-old crater. There is a rest stop at a lookout point, and then you'll make your way through tunnels and stairs. climb 99 steps to get to the second lookout point where you'll find a World War II bunker. A further 54 steps from there will bring you to the crater's summit. The crater rim houses a picnic area, restrooms, drinking fountains and information and historical displays. A number of beaches and parks are in the proximity of the volcano. The hottest months to visit the Diamond Head are June, July, and August, with mid-August temperatures reaching 94.4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a slow season for tourism. Spring and winter are busy tourist seasons. The park is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Early mornings are quieter and temperatures are cooler. The time you can enter Diamond Head is 4:30 p.m. given the amount of time it takes to complete the hike. The park is open on all days, including holidays. Don't forget to wear good hiking shoes. And to be extra cautious, bring along a flashlight so you can watch your steps easily. Number 3. Turtle Bay Resort. Turtle Bay Resort is one of the most sought-after places to stay by tourists because of its very complete facilities. Be it a laid-back, relaxing retreat or an active escape, Oahu's North Shore offers a true taste of paradise. No matter who you come with, or what brings you here, you'll find deep, meaningful connections at Turtle Bay Resort. Staying at Turtle Bay Resort can make your mind, body, and soul calm on nearly 1,300 pristine oceanfront acres. From surfing to golfing and horseback riding, you'll find an abundance of experiences within reach. Turtle Bay Resort invites you to live for the moments you can't put into words. Turtle Bay Resort places you right at the epicenter of one of the wonders of the world. There are 6 experiences that you can only experience in Turtle Bay, where you can learn the skill of surfing is never rough, with former pro surfer Rocky Cannon and his possum canines, savor a beach picnic on an inaccessible mountaintop by helicopter, explore a Hawaiian wellness garden, dive and snorkel with sharks in their natural habitat and grab a paintbrush and take part in Turtle Bay Resort's Paint Pina. Delight in embellishing your canvas, creating your personal masterpiece while you sip tropical cocktails paired with an unforgettable ocean view. Number 4. Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. Walt Disney Imagineers worked hand-in-hand with local artisans and cultural experts to create Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. Inspired by the natural wonders and rich traditions of Hawaii, Aulani Resort is the ultimate family getaway, celebrating the beauty, history and welcoming spirit of the island. Aulani Resort is perfectly positioned on the beautiful beaches of Ko Olina on the leeward coast of Oahu. Aulani Resort opened in August 2011. A major expansion project was completed in fall 2013. Aulani means messenger of a chief. Here, you'll discover the legends of the Hawaiian Islands. Imaginatively designed to embrace time-honored traditions, Aulani Resort offers an array of Hawaiian-inspired experiences, including contemporary Hawaiian art and design throughout the resort, world-class entertainment, including fireside storytelling, movie nights under the stars and visits from Disney characters, Hawaiian activities and crafts, including hula and lei making classes, island excursions, from surf lessons to hiking and more. If you are going to stay at Aulani Resort, you better sign up for a Disney Vacation Club membership so you can get a better offer for you and your family to vacation amid the magic of Disney year after year. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your suitcase and get ready for a vacation, 'cause Honolulu is waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you've been to one of these places, you can write in the comment section below.